Okay, bit number 33. Catalysts are generally used in finely divided state because if you divide it, so number of particles are possible. On each particle the surface area is very high, so the surface area will be increased when compared with the big metal surface. So finely divided surfaces only we are using because the surface area is very high. So answer will, it has more surface area. Next. So flocculation value of coagulating electrolyte is expressed in, flocculating value will be expressed in number of millimoles of which one, an agent per liter is used to coagulate an electrolyte called flocculating value. It should be taken in millimoles per liter but not moles per liter. Option A correct. Next. Yes. Among the following molecule, those having same number of lone pairs. So you should know the structures especially. HCO3, xenon, O, one lone pair, right? Next, HCOF4. So HCOF4. So it is a square planar structure. So 4 fluorines, 4 argon, and it is right now. So it is oxygen. One lone pair. HCF6. HCF6 is a distorted octahedral structure. So HCF, totally 6 fluorines are there. One lone pair is there. Already tips given to find the number of lone pairs, so hybrid equation to just follow the notes. So one lone pair, one lone pair, one lone pair. So in all these cases, number of lone pairs are same. Option 1, 2, 3 means 1, 2 and 3 having the same number of lone pairs, that is 1. Next. Laughing gas is prepared by heating ammonium chloride, ammonium nitrate, NH4NO3 on heating N2O plus to which it is called nitrous acid and also called laughing gas. Answer will be option B. Next. Most unstable hydrides, top to bottom stability will be decreased. Stability of hydride will be decreased. Hydride will be decreased. Most unstable means bottom is VIH. N is smaller, less bond length, strong. Bismuth is larger, more bond length, easy to break. That's why it is unstable, it is stable. Answer will be option B. Next. Which of the following is a colored compound? Colored compound means unpaired electrons are required. There is no 2 here, it is CuF2 is. Right? CuF2 means it is a plus 2, these 2 will be minus 2. 2 into minus 1, minus 2 and plus 2 will be 0. Copper plus 2 also. Copper will be 4s1 3d10 configuration. Cu plus 2 means 4s0 3d9. 1 from S, 1 more from D. D9 means one unpaired electron is possible. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, unpaired. This unpaired electron is responsible for color, excitation, de-excitation, something radiation will be emitted in visible region, that's why color formation. CuI It is plus 1, it is minus 1. Plus 1 means 4s1 will become which one? 4s0. Treat it then as it is. No unpaired. Na plus what? Sodium 11. 1 electron removed. 2p6 is the configuration. No unpaired. And MgCl2. It is Cl2. MgCl2 means here also Mg plus 2. In Mg plus 2 state, it is more stable, no unpaired. Unpaired electron possible in CuF2. That's why answer will be option A correct. Next. Which of the following has, it is has, which of the following has least magnetic moment? Least means very less. Magnetic moment formula root n into n plus 2. Now, SCl, scanning, x plus 3 into minus 1 equal to 0. Chlorine minus 1, 3 chlorines are. X minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to plus 2. Scandium configuration is 4s2 3d1. Scandium plus 3 configuration is all the 3 electrons must be removed. 4s will be 0, 3d also will be 0. N equal to 0. No unpaired electrons. Here it means 2 from S, 1 from D will be removed, then 4s0, 3d0, that is plus 3. So magnetic moment formula will be root n into n plus. Then 0 into 0 plus 2. Finally we get 0. Okay. If you verify remaining by their oxidation states, you will get something magnetic moment. That's why answer will be option A. Next. Ziegler-Natta catalyst is an organometallic compound containing titanium tetrachloride and triethyl aluminum is called Ziegler-Natta catalyst, which is used in polymerization process. So answer will be titanium metal is present in Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Next. In the coordination compound, oxidation state of nickel is oxidation state of K4 N9 Cl 4 times. Nickel, we don't know X. Potassium plus 1, there are 4 potassiums plus 4 chlorines, each chlorine carries minus 1. No charge, 0. 4 plus X minus 4 equal to X equal to 0. Answer will be C option. Next. So, in the given following compounds, least number of monochlorination is possible. Least number means only one kind of hydrogens are there. Then that is a least. So, I am verifying the right option. Just follow this. Fourth option. CH3, CH3, CH3. All are one. Same type of hydrogens. Only one monochloro products will be formed. If you take this one, CH3, 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 H. First one. But it is the second type of hydrogen. It is connected to C. H connected to C and C. Clear is 2 monochloride products. Verify remaining also. Least number possible in the option D. Clear? And here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 monochloride products. And in this 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is 5. So 1, 2, 3 possible here. Next. So which one of the isomers of cyclohexane hexachloride, benzene hexachloride is strong pesticide? So that is a gamma isomer is the which one? strong pesticide. Next, which of the following does not answer for iodoform test? What is the condition for iodoform test? Methyl ketone, otherwise CH3CH2H. So this is the condition. N-butyl alcohol. N-butyl alcohol formula is CH3CH2CH2CH2OH. There is no CH3CHOH group and CH3CO group. Answer will be the first option. Acetophenone. You know the formula for acetophenone? CO. This group is there, that's why it undergoes iodoform test. Acetaldehyde. CH3C double bond OH. Yes, CH3CO group is there. Acetaldehyde can undergo iodoform test. Ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl means C2H5. Ketone C double bond. Methyl means CH2. Yes, it is also possible to undergo iodoform test. Option A correct. Next, the following reaction is known as phenol plus HCl plus HCN gives rise to which one? That is aldehyde. Aldehyde is formed, that is called Goterman aldehyde reaction. Goterman-Koch reaction we have studied. Benzene plus CO plus HCl, that is different, and it is a Goterman aldehyde reaction. Next, phenol is treated with a mixture of KBr and KBrO3. KBr gives Br minus ions. KBrO3 gives BrO3 minus ions. Br minus plus BrO3 minus both are treated together, then give rise to 5 moles base in acidic medium, then give rise to 3Br2 plus 3H2. This is involved in a reaction that is halogenation. Phenol treated with excess of bromine, then give rise to, so the answer will be bromine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, totally 3, tribromophenol. Right? Right answer will be the option B is the right answer. Next, which of the following combinations can be used to synthesize ethanol? Ethanol means CH3CH2OH. So I will verify the right option. So verify the wrong options also. So the right option will be ethanol means how many carbons are there? 2 carbons. 1 and 2. Here totally many are there. Here also. Directly you can say answer. Last option. CH3MgI plus HC double bond OH. So MgI will be connected to this, CH3 connected to this. HCOMgI, here CH3 and H. This is on hydrolysis, gives CH3, CH2, HCH2, O modified as a OH plus MgOH. It is ethanol, will be prepared by the option D, right? Next, the product of the following reactions. The product of the following reactions. Yes, the given is double bond hydrogen. Hydrogen means reduction, addition of hydrogen. So then answer will be yes. Hydrogen is added here also hydrogen. O modified as a OH. Answer will be C. Correct answer will be C. Next, the product formed in the reaction N-hexanamide Br2. Amides treated with the bromine in base. The reaction is called Hofmann bromide reaction. Right? N-hexanamide. Hexanamide is CH3, CH2, 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 3, CONH. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 N hexanamide treated with Br2 plus KOH, then give rise to CH3, CH2, 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 NH2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentanamine, pentanamine will be formed. Pentanamine plus KBr will be formed. K2CO3 will be formed. Byproduct. I did balance later chemicals. It means in Hoffman bromide reaction, CO is eliminated and NH2 will be added to the rest of the carbon atom. Then hexanamide is converted into pentanamide, one carbon atom less. So answer will be option D, Hoffman bromide reaction. Next, methyl cyanide gives on hydrolysis. Methyl cyanide on hydrolysis gives. Question is, methyl cyanide on hydrolysis gives. Yes, methyl cyanide is CH3Cl on hydrolysis, then CH3COOH plus NH. This is the answer. This is acetic acid. Which acid it is? Acetic acid. Answer will be second option B. Next. In the reaction, next, CH3Cl, 2HCl, SnCl2 and boiling with water and Y form. So then the Y is, yes, first of all, SnCl2 plus 2HCl gives rise to SnCl4 plus 2 hydrogens. These are used in the chemical reaction. These 2 hydrogens, CH3Cl plus 2 hydrogens, give rise to, so CH3, this is also treated with HCl, then give rise to CH3CH NH HCl. It means hydrogens added, HCl also added. This is called an adduct. Adduct means addition product. So this is on treated with, this is X, clear? Addition product. Boiling with H2. Boiling with H2O. Okay. Then give rise to CH3CHUO. This will be connected by oxygen. NH2 and H2. NH and H2 will be modified as NH3. H2 and NH. Okay. And HCl is eliminated as a byproduct. Aldehyde will be formed. Answer will be acetaldehyde is the right answer. Next. Enzymes are carbohydrates, nucleic acids, globular proteins and fibrous proteins. Generally, as you know, enzymes are proteins. What kind of proteins they are? Globular proteins. Right? Next. 54. The vitamin which contains cobalt is cyanocobalamin, contains a cobalt which is called vitamin B12 is called cyanocobalamin because of the presence of cobalt. Next. Another. Which of the following is a biodegradable polymer? Bio means it should be matched with our biomolecules that to act as a polymer. Then nylon 6. Nylon 2,6 is a biodegradable but not nylon 6. PVC, no. Polythene, it is not decomposed. Nowadays we are using a polythene covers. So there is a big problem. Cellulose is located in our body, it is degraded on its own during the digestion. Obviously, it is also polymer named as a biodegradable polymer. Option A correct. Next. Another. Pterylene is a polymer obtained from. Pterylene is a polymer obtained from. So, ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. Ethylene glycol is CH2OH, CH2OH plus terephthalic acid is benzene ring COOH, COOH. Clear? Then give us OH cancel, OH cancel. Then you get CO. Is next CH2. CH2 it is also CO. OH. H and OH will be gone. CH2. Next CH2. Volts. N types. Both will be taken N types. So ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. So then forms which one? Pterylene. Answer will be ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. Next. Oral contraceptive drugs contains. Oral contraceptive drugs. It means anti-fertility drugs or birth control pills contains synthetic estrogen and progesterone. Synthetic. So here, so mastrenol means synthetic. Synthetic. So it is estrogen. Mastrenol means it is synthetic estrogen derivatives. Estrogen derivative. It is synthetic progesterone derivative. Progesterone derivative. And answer will be synthetic estrogen and progesterone present in the birth control pills. So that is both A and B right option. Next. Which of the following is an example for non-biodegradable polymer? Branched polymers are non-biodegradable. Branching increases non-biodegradability will be increased. They will not be degraded. Non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable. Clear? Yes. Non-biodegradable. Option C. More branches, only one branch, no branch. This is the chain. Clear? So option C correct. Branching increases, those are non-biodegradable. Next. SnCl2 given. What is the equivalent rate of SnCl2 in the following reaction? SnCl2 converted into SnCl4. SnCl2 converted into SnCl4. It is a +2, it is a +4 oxidation state. Okay. 2 into -1 -2 must be equal to 0 +2. 4 into -1 -4 must be equal to 0. It means we need +4. Right. So what is the change here? 2 is the change in oxidation state. Oxidation state. This is called N factor. Which factor it is? N factor. Now, so SnCl2 by N factor. SnCl2 by N factor. You can SnCl2 for equivalent weight of SnCl2 is equal to SnCl2 molecular weight by N factor. This is the formula. Sn will be 119 plus 71 by N factor will be 2. So it will be 120, 70, which 190 by 2 is equal to 95. Is the answer. 95 is the answer. Next. Another. Last bit. ArN2X minus benzene diazonium halide on hydrolysis. Benzene N2 plus X minus with water, that gives rise to OH is added here plus nitrogen gas plus hydrogen halide is clear. So option will be phenol. What is this? Phenol. So all our textual questions with this discussion part.